MLToys here to talk to you today about our Stage 5 motor gearbox upgrade for Power Wheels cars. This is by far the fastest motor gearbox combination made for ride-ons today, and we're going to explain why. Now when you buy this kit, it's going to come fully assembled, 2 motor gearboxes with all the parts in it. You just drop it into the car, but we have it apart here to show you exactly what you're getting with your kit. First, you're going to get 2 of our Phoenix Gearboxes. They look similar to your stock ones, but they're not. We used a much more rigid plastic for the outer casing so it doesn't flex under the torque of the stronger motors. That flex can sometimes cause the gears inside to strip out, so we've stopped that from happening. The gearbox also has more grease channels inside of it to help cool the gears and cool the shafts and keep them from stripping out from the excess friction. The nylon filament for the gears that we use that are nylon is a much denser nylon than the original gears were. That makes them able to take a lot more power. These gearboxes handle these stage 5 motors and gears at 24 volts with no problem at all. Now, to power these, we're using our 775 motors. These are the fastest motors made for ride-ons today. They deliver 4 times more torque than your original motors do, and at 24 volts on a stage 5 kit, it's not just double the speed. We're seeing speeds 12, 13 miles an hour on 24 volts with this stage 5 setup. The motors are going to come with aluminum motor mounts that lock onto the motors. And the big change between the stage 4 and the stage 5 is in the gears. This is a stage 4 first gear here. This is a stage 5 first gear. As you can see, they're hardened steel, so you get the strength of hardened steel. I'm not sure how well the camera is going to show it. This has got 72 teeth. This has 66 teeth. The pinion gears are going to go from a 15-tooth gear to a 22-tooth gear. What we've basically done is we've changed the gear ratio of the gearbox to give it a lot more top speed. When you have that, your top end, that's how we get this from the 11 to 12 miles an hour of a 24 volt stage 4 to add at least 1.5, even 2 miles an hour with the stage 5. Now we do want to caution, because you're gaining all that top speed, it's like starting a Corvette in 6th gear. You lose some of the low-end punch. With one kid in the car on gravel or on-road use, that's not a problem at all. But if you are going to be off-roading or you are going to have 2 kids in the car, we don't actually recommend the stage 5. In that case, stick with the stage 4 to handle the extra weight. But if you are on-road and you do only have 1 kid in the car, this is going to be the fastest and most fun that your kid will have. One last note, the kit's also going to come with these quick change motor connectors. So if you do want to take the motor gearboxes in and out of the car, swap them out, do any maintenance, it makes it a whole lot quicker and easier to do. Another innovation from MLToys.